So in your exam, you could be asked about the human or physical causes of river flooding. Be very clear on identifying those words, human or physical. They could use the word natural factors as well. But in this video, we're going to look at the human activities, the human causes that lead to rivers having an increased chance of flooding. There's two human causes that you need to be aware of. These are. So number one is deforestation, the removal of trees, and the second is urbanisation, the growth and spread of urban city landscapes. So let's talk through both of these, okay? So deforestation, quite simply, if you remove trees, I'm going to do this in shorthand, hopefully it makes sense. So if we remove trees, this will lead to a decrease in interception of surface runoff, I for interception. This will lead to a decrease in infiltration. This is when water infiltrates under the ground. So of course, if there's nothing there to stop it, intercept it, it's just going to run faster. So this also leads to an increase in surface runoff, the speed of it, and this will lead to rivers rising quicker, increased flood risk. So let me just talk you through that again. So if we remove our trees, we cut them down, this will mean that there is a lack of interception. Trees, vegetation to stop the runoff. This means there will be a decrease in infiltration, which means surface runoff will be faster, and that will lead to an increased flood risk. Now, urbanisation is quite similar. The only thing we need to include here is if the urban area is getting larger, that's going to lead to more impermeable land surface. Think concrete. So therefore, surface runoff is unable, once again, to infiltrate under the ground. So therefore, just like above here, the surface runoff will be faster, and this will lead to an increased flood risk. Right, a bit messy, but hopefully this makes sense. So deforestation, reduce the interception, will reduce the infiltration. Surface runoff faster, rivers rise quickly. Urbanisation, urban areas getting larger, more concrete. So therefore, more impermeable, the opposite of impermeable is permeable, impermeable land surface, which will result in a lack of infiltration because the water can't go through concrete. So therefore, the surface runoff will be much faster, and then that will lead to rivers flooding. So there you are. I hope that helps.